Hello friends, next topic in computer graphics is clipping algorithm. What is clipping algorithm? Let's see here. Any procedure that eliminates those portions of a picture that are either inside or outside of a specified region of space is referred to as clipping algorithm or simply clipping. Okay, that eliminates some portion of a picture. See examples here. There are many lines out there. Okay, and some different shapes out there. Okay, here. Okay, after clipping. Okay, some part of the lines which are outside the window. This is the window. Okay, this is the window. With some parts of the objects, some part of the lines which are outside the window are get clipped, are removed. Okay, so this is inside, then displays as it is. Okay, this line, okay, which part is outside, that part is eliminated, that part is clipped. Similarly here also. Okay, which is above the window, which above this rectangular box, so that object part is get eliminated. Okay, clear, no? Similarly text also. Similarly in text also, which part is outside the window, that part get eliminated. Clear, no? Okay. So that is called clipping. A rectangular shape, this is the rectangular shape, this is the window. Okay, within that window, if the object is inside, then it displays as it is. If the object is outside this window, okay, that part get eliminated. Clear, no? Okay, so here xw means what? Okay. This x value start from here. This is x max value. So this is x min value, this is x max value. Okay, xw min, xw max. Similarly y min, then y max. Okay, yw min, this is yw max. Clear, no? What are the applications of clipping? Applications of clipping is in weaving pipeline to extract the designated position of a scene for display. Okay, to extract what? Some designated portion of a scene. For display, clipping algorithms are applied in 2D weaving procedures. Clipping algorithms are applied in 2D weaving procedures to identify those parts of a picture that are within the clipping window. Okay, to display those parts of the picture which are within the window. This is the window. Within this window, which are the parts are displayed, to display that parts. And everything outside, it is eliminated. Which part is outside the window, that part get eliminated. Clear, no? Okay. Next, two-dimensional point clipping. A point P is equal to x and y, x comma y in 2D would be saved for display if the following inequalities are satisfied. Assume there is one point within this window, within this rectangular box. So, okay, assume the point is here. Okay, x comma y. Okay, when this point will display if the point is between x min and x max and between y min and y max, then only the point will display. If the point is outside, okay, a point is here, then that point can't be displayed. Clear, no? If point x value and y value, x value between xw min and xw max. Similarly, y value between yw min and yw max, then only that point is displayed. If these four inequalities is not satisfied, the point is clipped. Okay. If assume the point is maybe right side, top, left, bottom, then the point is can't be displayed. What are the applications? Applications with scenes involving clouds, C form, etc. Next, two-dimensional line clipping. Two-dimensional line clipping. A line clipping algorithm processes each line in a scene through a series of tests and intersections calculation to determine whether the entire line or any part is to be saved. See here, so in this diagram there are many lines out there. Some lines are inside. If the line is inside this window, it displays as it is. If the line is outside the window, then that line can't be displayed. If one point of the line is outside, one point of the line is inside, then only displays the part of the line. Okay, from here to here displays. Similarly here, so both points are outside, but they pass through the window. So in this situation, only which part is inside, only that part is displayed. Okay, which part is outside the window, that part is not displayed. Clear, no? Okay, so there are many different cases here. Okay, so you need to find this intersection point to display this point here. Okay, so you need to find the new point, intersection point. Expensive part of line clipping is in calculating the intersection position of line within the window edges. Hence, major goal is to minimize the intersection calculation. Okay, you need to find some intersection calculation. In order to do so, perform test to determine whether a line segment is completely inside or completely outside the clipping window. First you have to determine whether it is completely inside or completely outside. This is completely inside, no problem. This is completely outside. Even this lines are completely outside. Even this line points are completely outside, but they pass through the window. So there are different cases here. First you have to determine whether the line segment is completely inside or completely outside the clipping window. If we are unable to identify a line as completely inside or outside a clipping rectangle, we would perform intersection calculation to determine whether any part of the line crosses the window intersection by applying point clipping test. Okay, so in this example, the points are outside, but you need to find some intersection points. Okay, so you need to find this position. Okay, this position and this position. Okay, you need some test. Okay, you need some formulas to find the intersection points. Okay, so in this line you need two intersection points. So in this line you need only one intersection points. Okay, when both the endpoints of a line segment are inside all four clipping boundaries, example P1 to P2, the line is completely inside the clipping window, P1 to P2. So here P1 to P2, it is completely inside. When both endpoints of a line segment are outside any of the four clipping boundaries, example P3 to P4. So P3 to P4 is completely outside. That line is completely outside the window, completely outside the window, and is eliminated from the scene. And this line eliminated from the scene. So this line is not displayed here. If both of these tests fail, the line segment intersects at least one clipping boundary, and it may or may not cross into the intersection. Okay, so here what happens? So one point is outside, one point is inside here. So here both points are outside, but they pass through the window. So you need to find the intersection points. Okay, for this line you have to find the intersection points here. Okay, clear no? In next video we'll study Cohen-Sutherland line clipping algorithm. Clear no? Okay, thank you.